Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the GH82-05830 motherboard for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 210.1-inch GT-P7510. This particular unit is a system pull, meaning it's been taken from a working device. While that might sound concerning, it actually presents a cost-effective way to breathe new life into a beloved tablet. The key thing to remember is compatibility. This motherboard is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 210.1-inch GT P7510, particularly the 32GB model. Swapping parts between different devices or even different storage configurations of the same device can lead to headaches. So double-check that your original part number matches GH82-05830A or that Samsung explicitly recommends this as a replacement. Being a genuine Samsung part is a major plus. It ensures that you're getting the correct specifications and quality control that you wouldn't necessarily find with generic or aftermarket alternatives. The listing also mentions a 90-day guarantee, which provides some peace of mind in case of any issues. The motherboard houses the brains of the tablet, including the compatible Samsung processor. It also supports a maximum of 32GB of RAM, aligning with the original specifications of the GT P7510. The inclusion of SATA 3 support suggests decent data transfer speeds for the time this tablet was released. It also features an optical SPDIF connector type. Replacing a motherboard is not a task for the faint of heart. It requires a certain level of technical skill and the right tools. If you're not comfortable disassembling and reassembling delicate electronics, it's best to seek professional help. However, for those with the know-how, this GH82-05830 motherboard offers a viable solution for repairing a Tab 210.1-inch with a faulty mainboard. Overall, if you're dealing with a dead or malfunctioning Samsung Galaxy Tab 210.1-inch GT P7510 and you've pinpointed the motherboard as the culprit, this genuine, system-pulled part with a 90-day guarantee is worth considering. Just be sure to verify compatibility and proceed with caution during the replacement process.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.